What is Message in the Bottle? Message in a Bottle is a group exercise that Timea started years ago to help people connect emotionally with survivors, even from afar. After sharing her story, Timea invites the audience to write a short, uplifting note about a difficult time they faced and how they got through it. Each person then places their message in a small bottle. These anonymous messages are added to our wellness support packages and sent across Canada to shelters, police, and frontline workers so they can give them to survivors who are facing tough times.
I was at the Toronto police station in the middle of the worst time of my life. After being abused by my partner, I could barely talk. When a police officer handed me this box with the note, it made me feel like I am not alone. It made me feel seen and heard. It helped me believe that the officer cared about me. I will never forget how much courage this little gesture gave me during the worst time of my life.
Find out more about our You Are Not Alone program. By joining us, we can keep supporting and inspiring people through the toughest times in their lives.